right, guys, we're going back to the back shop here to check on Juan's 70 Chevelle. I haven't seen it since it's come back from Shane's. Let's oh, door's open. Oh, door's open.
What is going on?
I had to come check this Chevelle out. I hadn't seen it in person.
Oh yeah. No,
Where should we start? Trunk or inside?
start from the engine part.
The engine compartment. All right, let's do that. So,
Work its way. Can we turn
well,
it off, or you on video, or
I'm on video, yeah. So, we still got to do the engine cover, but we got an LS3 turbocharged 1970 Chevelle. Taking it Thursday to the dyno to get it all tuned up. So, check it out, the engine. Little turbo action, custom jewelry box here. Like I said, we got to do the topper on it. Let's see. Still got the plastic on it. Look at them doors right there.
where the door handles are. It's underneath the armrest.
Underneath the armrest. Oh, right here. Yes, that's pretty unique. Shane, you did a good job on that. So we got the console, radio, AC, power windows. We've got, let's check this out. Seats, leather seats. That back panel there, package tray. We'll move on around here too. Oh my God, look at that subwoofer. Man, that looks good. Shane Sewn Tight up in Kentucky. Give out props to him because he knocked it out quick actually. And he took this project over from Gil in Nashville. Gil started on it, Shane finished it up, but man, that looks good. Solid.
Get ready for undercoat.
Undercoat, got them all taped up for the 36 Ford. You just think, you know, when you're done painting all the parts, you think you're getting close. You about halfway.
Halfway, yeah.
Yeah.
I gotta wet sand and buff it all yet too.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Before we put it together.
That's about
3
2-week
yeah,
project,
for sure.
you know. And then put it all back together, make sure it runs. Now you did get the doors all put together, which that
they're
looks
all
good.
put together.
You know that glass with that tin on it
Yeah,
looks good with the green.
yeah.
That looks good.
So it's not overkill. It's not too dark.
No, but it's got that. That's that factory looking glass with the green tint, right?
Yeah.
And the green, that goes real well together. So, thumbs up, thumbs down on the 70 Chevelle. What do you think? I think we got 2 thumbs up. I can't do 2 and hold the camera at the same time. But Shane, I think you did an awesome job. You're a pleasure to work with. Quick turnaround. We're on the list for the next one to come up to you. We're looking forward to it, but you did an awesome job on that. Can't wait to show it off here coming up at some shows. So, what do you think about this new project we got in the shop here? It is a project. Certainly looks like it.
Low miles, one owner.
Low miles, one owner.
Grandma owned garage kit. Whole lot.
Huh. Looks like somebody tried to put a
Oh, it has sunroof.
sunroof in it, huh? I've been telling you for years I want one of them pop-up 70 sunroofs, and look, we already got part of the way started on this. Let's do it. Let's do it.
We putting one in Juan's.
No,
That's pickup truck.
that's not a pop-up one, is it? You said they made one specifically for that OBS.
I don't know about making one specifically.
'69. What kind of motors you got for it?
Small block Chevy.
327, 350.
350.
You glad to get off body working for a little bit?
Yeah, it's nice doing something different.
Yeah, something different. Travis said he needs you in there helping tape up that car. No, he didn't.
No, we didn't. No, we didn't.
It's like a time bomb.
Yeah. Why does that light up?
Oh,
What you trying to do? Blinkers?
well, earlier my blinkers weren't working, and the brand new bulb out of the package had a filament burnt out. So that's why I didn't. So I figured that out, and then before or after I figured that out, this light would light up as soon as you sent power to the truck, and that would kill the battery. But I had 2 wires switched, so now it lights up when the key's on.
What is it?
For the blinkers.
It's the end of the thing. It's one of the old blinkers that lights up at the end or whatever?
No, it lights up right in the like at the base of the switch.
Oh, okay.
But they work.
Left.
And then look, that one, this one is sequential, right?
Uh-huh.
But that one ain't.
What the heck?
So I gotta figure that out. And what do they do now? Do they both just flash or do they?
Well, they both flash, but one's sequential, one's not. Well,
I'm still here.
huh?
I'm still here.
We just got back from doing a little walk around on that Chevelle.
Yeah. What'd you think?
He did a bang up job, didn't he?
It looks good.
What do you think about them door handles on the inside? That's pretty unique, ain't
Can't
it?
even hardly see them.
No.
Yeah, they're sweet. I like everything you did.
I gave him a shout out.
Did you?
Yeah.
What's up, Shane? Nice job. Don't make beautiful.
Get your lights fixed.
Make a straight line.
You figured it out?
I did.
What was wrong with
There's a switch on the back of them.
it? On the back of where?
You
On
take
these?
yeah, on the back of the, like you take the housing, the little chrome cover off.
Yeah.
And since they're LED, there's a little switch on the back, and one switch makes them sequential one way, and then in the middle they're not sequential, and then down they're sequential the other way.
All right, so I got a question for our audience. Which way did he switch it to make it go? So comment below. Did he do sequential or did he do like a normal tail light?
Y'all, I'm Miranda with Creative Rods. Don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.